Hello friends, I am Lolo.
And I am Momo.
Welcome to our channel.
Did you hear that sound? It's coming from somewhere.
Yes, a soft tapping sound. Let's listen carefully.
Lolo, do you hear that?
Yes, Momo, it's coming from over there.
Let's go see.
Okay, but let's be careful.
It's coming from that tree.
Stay close. We'll find it. There's nothing to worry.
Something is there. I can hear it clearly now.
Stopped?
Oh, it's the kind.
Let's take a look together. Slow and gentle.
Hello? Is anyone there? We are friends. Oh, it was you! We were curious about your sound. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just tapping.
You didn't scare us. We wanted to understand.
I like making this sound. It feels nice.
It sounds like music. Soft and happy.
Yes, a gentle rhythm. Very peaceful.
We found a new friend today.
By listening carefully.
Thank you for your music. Thank you for listening.
Hello, friends!
Like and subscribe
To our channel!
Thanks for watching!